Hi, wanna know how to find sound settings and manage them on your Vivo X100 Pro? So, as a first step, open settings on your phone and here find this tab which is named Sounds and Vibration. Open it and first thing that we can see here is volume adjustment. We got 4 categories which is media, ringtone, notification and alarm. We can adjust each of these by moving this dot around the line. If you are moving it to the right side, you are increasing it and to the left side decreasing. Next thing that we got here is use the volume buttons to adjust and then two options, media or ringtone. Here you would need to choose which of these two you would like to adjust by using this volume button on the right edge of your phone. So next thing that we can see here is volume adjustment per application. Currently this feature is disabled, so this volume that I got on the media is working for all of the applications that I'm using, but we can enable this feature and then adjust the volume for each application opened on your phone. So let's move on. Next thing that we got here is vibrate for incoming calls. Here you can choose vibration options and also vibration intensity. Next thing that we can see is also vibrate for notifications, and here we can only choose the vibration intensity or disable it at all. Next thing that we got here is do not disturb mode, which will be blocking all of the system sounds and also ringtones, alarms and incoming calls. Then here we got tab which is named media, and here you can also see some additional settings to it. Then we got here phone ringtone, and here you'd be able to find huge list with ringtones from Vivo, or you can also set your custom ringtone. Then we got notification ringtone, which we can also set our custom or choose from the default ones, and then alarm ringtone for your alarms. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.